Hello guys, thank you for clicking on my video. Today, I will share how to make delicious pumpkin omelette recipe. I hope you will like it. Pumpkin has many benefits such as improved vision, lower cancer risk, heart-healthy food, immunity boost, also a healthy fulfilling food. Ingredients are eggs and pumpkin. Only 1/3 of the pumpkin is needed for this recipe. Peel, remove seeds, and dice the pumpkin. Use spoon to scoop out pumpkin seeds. Steam pumpkin until softened for approximately 10 minutes. Season egg liquid and beat until frothy. Drizzle cooking oil. Pour egg liquid. Place pumpkin on egg. Once bottom is solidified, place egg on flat plate, then flip it back to wok. Fry egg for 30 seconds. Pumpkin omelette tastes glutinous and sweet. Pumpkin and eggs taste great together. There is also a popular way to make pumpkin scrambled eggs on the internet. I plan to try the recipe and will show you all ya. This omelette is easy to make. My family loves it too. I hope you all like it and do give it a try. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes ya. If you like cooking, then you may want to follow my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel, so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. Pumpkin is warm in nature, and eating more will promote dampness and heat. Therefore, people with excessive stomach heat, moderate chest stagnation, and dampness and chest stagnation should eat less. People suffering from athlete's foot, jaundice, and chest stagnation and dampness should avoid eating it. C. Pumpkin cannot be eaten with red dates. Eating the two together will not only destroy vitamin C, but also aggravate symptoms such as indigestion. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video ya.